take a plea or go to trial? In today's video, we'll answer that question. First things you must consider is, what does the evidence say? Through your investigation with your defense attorney and their team, and looking at the police reports and the evidence that the government has been able to compile, what does the case look like? Is there a strong defense? Can you present an alibi or a different narrative that may convince a jury that there is a reasonable doubt as to your guilt? The next point to consider is, what options do you have available? Are there options for diversion programs, such as the Veterans Diversion Court, Drug Court, Treatment Court options that may result in your case being dismissed down the road that you may want to consider, as opposed to the risks that are inherent in going to trial? Next, are there options for probation? Is there an offer from the government that may allow you to avoid a conviction or avoid incarceration? These are important things to consider when you're evaluating the ultimate choice of taking your case to trial or not. It is always your decision in every jurisdiction in the country, including Oklahoma, state and federal court, to decide whether or not you will take your case to jury trial. It's an important decision and one that you should take seriously. In conferring with an experienced criminal defense attorney, you can evaluate the facts that you can present in court, the evidence, and the law to make an informed decision about what is best for you. There are risks inherent with any jury trial: the potential of jail, the potential of prison, and the potential of a felony or a misdemeanor conviction in your case. However, if you are successful at trial, your case will be dismissed when you hear two of the sweetest words in criminal defense: not guilty. I encourage you to think long and hard about these questions and confer with an experienced defense attorney in evaluating what the case looks like. At Cannon Associates, we're dedicated to working with every client and being fierce advocates for them. Our entire defense team huddles up before any client evaluates whether or not they wish to take their case to trial. We meet with the client, evaluate everything that the investigator has been able to uncover after meeting with you multiple times to ensure we know your side of the story. We will look at what the government has to present, their witnesses, their evidence. Is there video surveillance? Is there photographs? Are there other types of evidence, potentially confession in some cases? These things must be considered in evaluating whether you will take your case to trial or not. If the government does not have a strong case against you, and if we've been able to develop a powerful narrative of your innocence or of how you're not guilty of what you've been charged with, we would advise you to consider the option of going to trial. We always look for ways that we can have our clients' cases dismissed if possible, whether there's a legal problem or a factual issue in the government's case. We encourage you, if you have questions about these issues, to watch more of our videos, look at our resources online, and evaluate whether taking your case to trial or working out a plea deal is right for you. Subscribe by clicking the button here for more informative videos from Cannon Associates.